What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the Sacred Takes team. Today I will be showing you guys how to do this clone effect inside After Effects. For this effect to work, you're gonna need a tripod or a stabilizer. It's key that you don't move your camera at all and that you get at least 2 clips for this effect to work. Shout out to my guy Lone Lou for being a part of this video. He's a local artist I'll be working with. I'm gonna drop his link down in the description below. Go give his tracks a listen, guys. He's fire. I've been looking at my analytics, guys, and I see that most of you guys who watch my videos aren't subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below. It's free. You're not paying me a single dime. Hit that like button so YouTube could continue to push my videos to further content creators and editors as well. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. So this is the first clip that I recorded. As you can see, we have Lone Lou walking in. The camera's on the stabilizer, so there's no movement at all. It's key. You could either use a stabilizer or a tripod. But as you guys can see, he's not overlapping that white middle line right there. And that's important, guys, when you're recording these clips. Make sure the clones don't overlap each other. So as you can see, I have a clip of him on the left side. And you can see I have a clip of him on the right side. And he's not overlapping that white line, so make sure they don't overlap each other. Once you guys got your 2 clips recorded, we could go ahead and hop inside After Effects. As you guys can see, we're inside After Effects. We have the 2 clips loaded in already. Top clip is him coming in on the left. Bottom clip is him coming in from the right. As you guys can see, I messed up because the lighting was off on these clips. It got darker as we're recording. So guys, when you record this, please keep in mind to record with the same light settings and everything so this could look clean. With that being said though, we're still going to be able to make the effect work. So this effect is very simple, guys. What you want to do is you want to head over to your pen tool and you want to mask out on that middle line where they don't overlap. We're going to do a clean mask right down the middle. Boom. Now if we play it back, you guys can already see it's already giving that clone effect. And I see right here the fences aren't lined up, so I'm gonna go to that clip real quick, press P on position, line it up, maybe scale it up by 1, and then when we play it back, you can see we already got that clone effect going. Pretty simple. And as you can see, I messed up because the lighting was off, so it doesn't look, cinematic. But once the lighting is perfect, guys, it'll be seamless. People won't even notice that border right there. You can only see the border because the lighting in the environment, but it's okay. But make sure, guys, when you record this, the lighting is the same. That was too easy, guys. So I'm gonna show you some extra sauce. Make sure you hit that like button if you haven't hit it yet for that extra sauce I'm about to give you guys. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pre-compose both clips. We'll select both of them. Right click, pre-compose. Move all attributes into new composition, adjust composition duration to time span, select the layers, yes sir. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna right click on our panel, we're gonna go to new, camera, press OK, copy my settings if you want to. It's gonna say camera and lights do not affect 2D layers. It's an easy fix. I'm gonna go to our pre-comp, make it 3D, or Gucci. Now what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna open up the transform properties on the camera, keyframe all of them in the beginning. If you press C on your keyboard, it toggles through your camera options. So we're going to use this one to zoom in. We're going to zoom into this clone first, walking in. And then as the clip is playing, we're going to move it to our other clone. Zoom it in. We're going to zoom back out. We're going to zoom in on both of them. When we play back, we have that nice little camera movement inside the clips. I'm going to highlight all of my keyframes. Right click, keyframe assistant, easy ease. And what that's going to do is going to make the movements way more smoother. Fire. That's the end of this tutorial, guys. It was a quick one. I hope you learned something new. If you guys got to the end, don't forget to subscribe button down below. Join the team. I'm dropping tutorials every single week. Make sure to hit that like button. It's very important for me, guys. It'll really help my channel out. I really appreciate it. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.